Hello people, how are you? This is Mansi Janghel and you're watching Mansi.design. Today we are going to see how to make this Teacher's Day chalk-like animation in After Effects. So let's get started. So we are inside After Effects and here is our composition from Illustrator, which is our free pick file. So first we need to take the text tool and write Happy Teacher's Day. Take the anchor tool or type V on your keyboard and make the anchor point on the center of the text and align it to the center. Scale the size of the text. Now we are going to do a little trick over here. We are going to change the fill to stroke from here. Now select your layer, go to the menu bar, select Layer, Auto Trace and click OK. Hide the main text layer. Go to the Effects and Presets panel. Type Scribble. And drag it to your auto trace layer. Make the single mask to all mask. Change the stroke width as you wish to do. Change the curviness variation and spacing value. Now we have to remove this inside part of the letter. Here are A, P, P, A, R, D, A. So we need to duplicate the layer 7 times because there are 7 letters. You can press Ctrl D to duplicate. Now we have to see which layer is part of the inside A. So select the inside part of the A. Okay, here we are going to select 2 parts of the inside A. So let's see which is one of them. Check the layer by scrolling and delete the rest of the layer. And name it as small a. Now move to the layer and select inside of P and see which layer is one of them and then delete the rest of them. Do the same with other letters. Now I am going to fast forward it for few seconds. Please subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up to my video and click the bell icon to get a notification every time I post a video. Now open the main auto trace layer and delete the layer which you have already made a separate layer of it. Now change the color of every layer which is being separated. You can also pick the color from the background of the composition. Now go to the project window and make a new composition and name it as object. The height and width size must be 2000 by 2000. Now in this we have to make a solid by right clicking new, select solid and click OK. Select star from the object tool, shift and drag the mouse to scale. Go to the polystar path, increase the inner radius, increase the point to 5, select the anchor tool and make it in the center of the shape. And align it to the center of the composition. And lock the layer. Now select the solid layer, pick a pen tool and trace the star. No need to be perfect. So here you will see that we have made a mask on the solid. Now delete the star layer, unlock it first. Duplicate the layer, Ctrl D. Now for our reference we are going to make another solid background. Choose the color black, but at the end you need to hide or delete this layer because there is no need to use it. On the second solid layer we are going to apply effect stroke. Change the brush size and paint style to on transparent. Now we are going to apply the scribble effect on our first solid layer and repeat the same process as we did earlier. Now come to the main composition and drag object composition to the layer window. And adjust it by resizing it. You can also use wiggle expression on position as we did it on our last or earlier tutorial. If you haven't seen it, please go and watch it. If you like my video, please follow my Instagram account for updates at mansi.design.